One of the cool things about Sacred Heart is its proximity to New York City, only 60 miles away. That means students have great access to incredible opportunities, including Broadway. SHU has a phenomenal performing arts program, which includes theater arts, led by a Tony and Grammy-nominated producer, as well as amazing choral, dance, and band programs. Here's Ryan at Sacred Heart's Community Theater to tell you more about his experience in performing arts.
Thanks, Alex. I'm an exercise science major on the pre-physical therapy track, and I'm so excited to tell you all about why I love SHU, and specifically all the wonderful things I've done here thanks to the Performing Arts program. I chose a school because it offered exactly what I wanted in a university, the ability to study exercise science and keep my passion for the performing arts alive. Within the program, I'm a part of the Sacred Heart Dance Company, where I work closely with professional choreographers both locally and internationally. Each semester, our program holds numerous performances that showcase all the groups within our program. Since coming to SHU, I've received endless performance opportunities outside of our regular showcases. I've had the opportunity to collaborate with different performing arts groups, dance at local dance conferences, and travel abroad to take classes with dancers from all over the world. My freshman year, I performed at a multimedia event that showcased the collaboration between dance, band, and the School of Communication meeting the arts. The show was then broadcasted afterwards for the community to watch. That summer, I traveled to Italy with the dance company members to take classes and perform at the World Dance Movement International Workshop. For a week, I learned different choreographic works from world-renowned choreographers, and I had the opportunity to audition for Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, where I received an offer to sign a contract and work with them as a performer. Going into my sophomore year, a few of the dances from our regular showcases were selected to be performed at a local dance conference at Perry Dance Center in New York City. Another great part about the Performing Arts program here at Sacred Heart is that my options are not limited to just the dance company. I have been fortunate enough to perform with the theater arts program in their musical productions of Hair and Once, where I was cast as a featured dancer and got to perform with a whole new group of individuals. Collaboration between the performing arts is very common here at Sacred Heart. While I partake in dance and theater, a lot of my friends are in more than one performing arts group, whether it be choir, band and orchestra, theater arts, or dance. Within the choir and band, there are also a variety of ensembles for the students to be a part of, ranging from gospel choir, concert choir, marching band, orchestra, and many more. I hope that I was able to give you just the slightest look at the wonderful opportunities I've been given thanks to the Performing Arts program here at Sacred Heart. Now back to you, Alex.
Thank you for sharing your incredible talents with us, Ryan. That was impressive. I love the fact that the skills you have can be found in all of SHU's performers, no matter if they're dancers, musicians, or singers. I hear you don't want to miss their shows and performances throughout the school year. Take care.